Today we're going to work on designing fun little things like this. These are going to be stickers for me that I have a little shop that I sell things at, and I make light up mushrooms and light up cactus. So these are sort of stickers to go with it, but I'll show you how to design stuff like this. So first of all, that cap up top, that's what we're going to start with. We're going to start with some mushrooms here. So I'm going to take a circle here, hold down shift, make it somewhat perfect, right? Okay, I'm also going to make it a line. That way it's easier to modify. Okay, so right now if we go to our node tool, we can't actually edit it. There's no nodes to it because it's not an object right now, it's a shape. Okay, so we'll go to edit and then convert to path. And now it's an object here. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit, hold down shift so it goes straight down. There we go. And then this one I'm going to pull way up. There we go, something like that. And then select both these, hold down shift to select both them. And then as I move them, I'm going to hold down shift and bring them up. There we go. So yeah, you see that? You see how it gets that shape there? Okay. So got that little shape there. Okay. And then we're going to put another circle in there that's going to fit somewhat inside there, like that. Okay. And select both these and we'll center them. So we'll do a vertical center. There we go. Now this needs to be a little bit taller, it looks like. Oh, hold down control. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that's looking pretty good there. Okay. And so now I'm going to take both these and I'm going to do an offset. I want inside here. So let's go inward. There we go. And maybe closer to 5 or so. Yeah, 5's pretty good. Cool. Okay, so I got this shape in here now, right? And so now I need all those little spots. So I'll take this here, make some spots, some spots, some spots. Here we go. Something like that, right? There's 5 little spots. So anything that goes off the edge is getting a little more like elliptical, right? So that'll be at the edge. Let's see. Get this not off the edge, but somewhat up top here. There we go. And then, yeah, that's a little bit big there. Maybe, yeah, that's still would probably look good with a little bit of an angle there. Not that much. There we go. Hey, this big spot. Let's move that out of the way. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Goes there. There we go. And I'm actually going to move this to the side a little bit. There we go. And then move this one up top here. There we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is select all these and group them. Hold down shift and select this inner shape we just made with the outline. And then do a Boolean intersection, which means where anywhere where they intersect, it's going to leave a shape. Okay, hit that, and there we go. So now we got spots here, right? Pretty cool. Okay, yeah, those ones are a little smaller, but still, I like my spots. Cool. Okay, so we got that, and now we have to get the I guess the gills right here. So what I did there was I took a square, hold down shift, made it perfect, right? Rotated it, hold down shift, so it incremented. There we go. Brought it in. Okay. So let's doesn't matter here. Let's see. So we need to select this guy and go inwards. All right. Okay. Is that inwards? Okay, there we go. Yep, we're good there. Okay. And then I'm going to take this from the bottom middle of this shape. I want that to be 0, 0. Okay. There we go. And then I want it to come up just a little bit here. Hold down shift, something like that. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to do it in a circular array. And the center of that array will be 0. There we go. Oh, did I move it? Oh, maybe I didn't move it. I'll move it back up again. There we go. Then circular array. Center is 0. There we go. And we'll just start filling it in. Something like that. Maybe we got to bring that center up a little bit. Yeah, something like that. Maybe down to 12 or 13. 13, yeah, maybe down to 12. Okay, there we go. Bring it up so they're in a little closer. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Cool. Okay, so now we select them all, we group them, and then we have to bring it to the center of this area here, right? Okay, but first we also have to squish them. So take that, hold control. There we go. That's a pretty good squish. And then we'll hold down shift and select this inner ellipse and then do another intersection. And there we go. Right? So now we have this cool little angle in here. Okay? All right. So now we need to put the stem in there. Okay? So first of all, let's make a stem. So I'm going to draw a square here. Okay? And then edit and then convert to path and then use the node tools. So right now, it's not going to do much, right? It's just going to be these squares, which is kind of boring. So what I'm going to do, if you hold the mouse over the node tool, it gives you options, right? So I want to smooth this. I want to hit that, hit S, hit this one, hit S. There we go. Okay. So now we've got to, let's see, bring it in a little bit, bring it in a little bit. There we go. Give it sort of a mushroom shape there. And then, yeah, perfect. So if I want that to be a little taller, I can, but kind of like how short it was. I want to undo. So that's just turning out well, just by itself. Maybe this one in a little bit. They're not quite even. There you go, something like that. That's a pretty good stem there, right? Okay. And we'll place it here. Okay, somehow center it. Oh, let's grab the center point. Let's see. There it is, that big circle. Oh. Okay. Mouse over it till it's a big circle. That's the center point. And then, there you go. Set it there, but bring it up just a little bit here. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller altogether. There we go. And then bring it up. Hold down shift so it comes straight up. There we go. And now we're going to do an outline. Okay. We'll go outward. Cool. Okay, so first of all, these two things, we're going to group them. And then we're going to hold down shift. So this is now selected, right? The outer things. Hold down shift, select the inner. No, not that. Okay. Select that, hold down shift just like the outer piece and do a difference here. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to make another outline here. Call that good. Okay, select that. Hold down shift. Select this. And do a difference. There we go. Sweet. All right. So then we got to put eyes on it here. Okay. So eyes are pretty easy. You basically just, hold down shift. And then put a little shine up top. There we go. And then when you make it a fill, you got eyeballs, right? Okay. So we're going to need two eyes. Unless we're making the monster, the monster mushroom with a single eye. And, yeah, I don't know. You'll have to decide how high or low you want these things, right? I'll make one there. I'll hold down control. Let's see. Select it. Oh, first group it. We'll group those two together. Okay. Which is that group of people up here. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay. And then I'm going to take both these and make sure they're perfectly aligned on horizontal. There we go. Group them again. And let's see. Is everything? Okay, so that needs to be grouped with that. There we go. Okay, but everything here needs to be vertically centered. Or horizontal. Yeah, vertically centered. There we go. Cool. All right, so then I have to design a mouth here. So that's just part of a circle, right? Or we could just do eyebrows. Eyebrows are pretty easy. So to get those rounded eyebrows, you take this here, right? Whoops. Click, let go, and right click. There we go. Select that, then we'll do an outline, and we'll do about half or so. Actually, we'll go a little bit bigger because we're going to make it smaller. There we go. That's how we get the nice rounded. Oh, nice. We could do like the caveman mushroom or a weird mouth mushroom. That's funny. Okay. Enough goofing around. There we go. But now we're angry mushroom. And then mirror that. There we go. Cool. Or do the mouth. You just take a circle here, right? Hold down shift. Take a square. Let's do it about there here. Okay. Now we're going to select our tool, select the circle first, hold down shift, select the square, and do a difference. And from here we'll do an outline. And there we go. That way we have nice rounded corners. Oh, very evil mushroom. Goodness. There we go. Okay, get rid of these evil eyebrows. There we go. That's a happy little mushroom. Cool. Okay, and then one last thing. We should probably do an outline of the whole thing. So select it all. I guess you don't need to select the eyes. We only select that and do an outline. There we go. Hit OK. And then we're going to split it. So we're going to ungroup. And that inner line we're going to get rid of. Okay. Oh, I guess we did that. Whoops. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. So select it all. And then do a fill. There we go. Now we've got a super happy little mushroom. All right. Pretty cool, huh? So next video, I'll show you guys how to do the cactus, because the cactus is even easier. But that's a quick way to design fun little stickers. I think it's called Kawi. It's spelled like Hawaii, but instead of an H, it's a K. But yeah, that's how I designed the sticker. Good luck, guys.